I am very much glad to receive the invitation from the chairman of Suchitra Foundation requesting me to be the chief guest to this memorable occasion, where I saw many young talented students getting motivated. The Sri C.V. Raman Young Genius Award were instituted with an objective to bring out the hidden talent in the students. I am happy that number of 320 students have been selected from all over the state, in which the exams were conducted from 500 schools and around about 50,000 students participated. So for these 320 students, I wish them best of luck for their future, and they are the real talent of the state. Sir C.V. Raman was a great Indian scientist and a recipient of Nobel Prize in 1930 for physics. I am happy to know that it is a very famous and renowned foundation encouraging the talent of students by giving awards to them. Dedication, determination and discipline is a key factor to get distinction. It is advisable that every student should know about the moral and human values, social and civic responsibilities towards the society apart from the curriculum. I am very much proud of my presence on this event. I wish the students to stand as a role model to many other students and the school in the state. I am confident for a brighter career of the students and congratulate the parents, teachers, staff members, particularly to the management of the foundation for their endeavor in conducting of this event. I have to inform you that we have dreamt for a Hyderabad city to be known as a world-class city, and in this direction we are making all our efforts in the entire gamut of municipal activities to have a better municipality. I would like to inform this gathering that the Government of India has honored GHMC by providing it an opportunity to host the 11th meeting of Conference of Parties, a prestigious event, the biggest after independent India, which is expected to have participants of ministerial delegates of about 193 countries. It is a mega event, and I request the foundation members keenly to watch the outcome of the conference, preserving the plants and animals to have good environment, and all the use the recommendation for the welfare of human beings. I also request the foundation chairman to evince interest in biodiversity development and make available suggestions to focus by GHMC in the proposed conference. I once again congratulate Mr. Y. Kiran, who is continuously conducting this award, and I have just told him that this is the best motivation event that I have come into and I have participated into. I know how important this is for the students to get motivated on these kind of stages. I wish you all best of luck for the near future. Thank you all.